Max and Amy, inseparable friends, explored Starfish Cove. Max found a glowing seashell, whispering forgotten dreams. Its light pointed to the ocean. "It's calling us!" Max exclaimed. Guided by the shell, they sailed their boat, the Dreamweaver, across cerulean waves. Days passed. A mysterious land emerged, the island of lost dreams. Approaching, they saw countless delicate half-formed dreams floating like iridescent bubbles. Dreams of flying, talking animals, and castles, all incomplete. A profound sadness hung in the air. On the beach, they met Dreamkeeper Luna, her face etched with worry. "The dream key has vanished," she sighed. "Without it, children's dreams cannot come true. The island's magic is fading." Max, courageous, promised, "We'll help you find it." Luna pointed to a dark pool, the Dream Lagoon. It's guarded by shadowy worries, fears that keep dreams from blossoming. Max bravely dove into the mystical waters, facing his own small fears, pushing past swirling, misty doubts. Meanwhile, Amy, sharp-minded, noticed twinkling lights above. "A riddle, written in starlight," she exclaimed. It was a complex celestial code. Amy, with her quick wit, meticulously decoded the shimmering symbols, remembering ancient stargazers' languages. Working together, Max battling shadows and Amy deciphering the riddle, they felt a powerful connection. Max pushed through the last worry, his courage shining, and saw a faint glow. At that moment, Amy shouted, "I've got it!" The answer is believe. The starlight riddle pulsed with energy. Suddenly, the dream key materialized in Max's hand, glowing brilliantly. Intricately carved with stars and moons, they brought it to Luna. Her face lit up with relief. Luna placed the dream key back into its pedestal. A magnificent surge of magic erupted over the island of lost dreams. The half-formed dreams swirled and shimmered with renewed vigor. They transformed into a dazzling torrent of sparkling dreams, soaring into the night sky. The air filled with joyous laughter as countless radiant dreams flew off to children's hearts worldwide. Max and Amy watched, their hearts swelling with pride, as the night sky became a canvas of pure magic. Luna smiled. "Thank you, brave children," she said. "You have reminded us all of a timeless truth." Moral: never stop believing dreams need courage and imagination to come alive.